welcome back to Alecia at Home. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are new, thank you so much for coming and stopping in. If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and hit the like button and leave me a comment. Let me know you're new, and also subscribe. Today we have a sponsor and we have a special guest. This is hubby, my husband, and he's going to be trying out the JAVY Coffee concentrate. And excuse the background noise, you guys. It's the evening time. If you have little ones, you already know they turn up at this time before bed, and it is what it is. And that's why we need this JAVY Coffee concentrate, right?
Yes.
Yes. Plus, hubby has some meetings, so we're trying to get that extra boost. And JAVY Coffee claims that they have 100% Arabic artisan roasted coffee, and it's concentrate. They said all we need, you guys, is 1 teaspoon.
That's
and
it?
8 ounces. Yeah, 1 teaspoon.
Wow.
And 8 ounces of coffee. And if you know me, you already know your girl loves coffees and teas and all that sorts, if you've seen any of my last videos. Hubby, I'm still trying to get him on board, but girl, he's tired, so he's willing to try
anything.
He's willing to try anything. So we're gonna let him try anything today. And that is JAVY Coffee Concentrate. So I just want to take a moment and say thank you, JAVY, for trusting me with your product and letting me try it out. I appreciate you for sponsoring this portion of the video. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so we have our piping hot water. Hubby is a iced coffee type of guy, but today we're going to get him on board with the hot coffee team, and we're also going to make one as a regular hot coffee using the JAVY concentrated coffee, and we're also going to make another cup, but we're going to jazz it up with a little bit of cream and whipped cream, because your girl like cream. We like cream over here. So also I do have some sweeteners here. We don't do regular sugar, but we have some sweeteners. So if you can open that up, baby. Also, while we're waiting, you guys, JAVY also sent me these cute little spoons. I've always wanted some of these spoons. They're super cute. I had to duck down because the camera is lower, but let me show you what we got. Oh, these are not even spoons. Oh my gosh, these are the straws. It has the little silicone tip, and then I love that. Look at this. What else is in here? It even has the little cleaner. Thank you so much for that. I love these.
All right.
Okay, guys, so we have our coffee, and then here's the teaspoon. It says 1 teaspoon and 8 ounces here. We'll taste it and see if it's really strong. Okay, stir that up. It doesn't look like it's really strong. Let me smell it. Ooh, it smells like strong coffee. What do you think, baby?
Oh, yeah.
It smells like regular coffee. But wait, don't do any. You gonna put some over here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, let me be more careful.
Don't be wasting them all those cups of coffee. Yeah, these didn't come out looking the same. Okay, let me just taste and see if it tastes like actual coffee. Oh, this tastes strong. All right, so here we go, you guys. Hubby is tasting the coffee. How does it taste, babe?
This tastes good. I was surprised that it packed such a punch, you know, being that it was just a teaspoon. So, impressive. Tastes like a full cup of coffee.
Does it? Nice. I went ahead and added in 1 more teaspoon of the concentrate. So in this cup that he's drinking, it's 2 teaspoons because the first cup was kind of weak. And then in this cup here, we just have the 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna taste this one. And I forgot to put some sweetener in it, so it just tastes like a nice cup of coffee with cream, like half and half. And yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna give y'all some details and some pointers on what they say regarding this product. JAVY Coffee is a microdose coffee concentrate with 30 cups per bottle and 60 milligrams of caffeine per serving. Simply add 1 to 2 teaspoons of microdose and enjoy your favorite coffee drink. JAVY Coffee is eco-friendly, non-GMO, gluten-free, and best of all, it's sugar-free. The most important thing is that JAVY Coffee is made in the USA and committed to sustainability. All of the coffee beans are sourced from small, reliable farmers to maintain a consistent flavor. So what are you waiting for? Try it risk-free, 100% money-back guaranteed. The link is in the description box below, and also I'll pin it in the comments. I just want to take the time to say thank you to my hubby for taste testing JAVY with me.
It's pretty good.
Thank you again to JAVY for sponsoring this video. So if you liked it, don't forget to leave me a like, a comment, and subscribe. Hit that little bell so that you can be notified next time I post. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Cheers.